Hello, I'm Ed Coulter with Reese Nichols. Welcome to 12040 Ballentine Street in the quiet and sought-after stately Nottingham Forest. You've got to see this two-story English Tudor. Well, it's complete with cathedral ceilings that you would expect. This 4-bedroom, 3 full and 2 half baths sits on 1/3 of an acre, which makes for a very, very private and large backyard. I can't wait to show you a unique feature that I've never seen before, I don't think. We're calling it an indoor-outdoor living room within a screened-in patio. Now, of course, we have a primary bedroom, but with that is a newly renovated spa-like bathroom. But wait, we have essentially a second primary bedroom due to square footage. It's large. Well, I could stand up here and talk about this house, how wonderful it is, and the great features, but I think we ought to go tour this house to see for yourself what you're missing. It's an exceptional and well cared for home. So come on, let's take a look.
As you enter the large foyer, the formal dining room is to your left. If you were to turn the table around and add tables and chairs, can you imagine how many family members you could invite for Thanksgiving? Let me give you a glimpse of a true eat-in kitchen. We'll come back to the kitchen in just a moment. This is one of my favorite rooms in the home. Call it a great room, call it your family room. I promise cathedral ceilings? There they are. All the light fixtures, by the way, in this home are from Pottery Barn. Now let's go back to the kitchen with a large walk-in pantry on your immediate right. I haven't even mentioned the beautiful wood floors throughout the home. Talk about plentiful granite countertops and numerous upper and lower cabinets. Notice double ovens and all stainless steel appliances. The laundry room and a half bath are tucked away conveniently out of sight. As we entered the front door, immediately to your right is a very usable office with an abundance of light. And now let's go up to the second level. Everyone is always interested in the primary bedroom and bath, and I have to say, you won't be disappointed. Okay, get ready. This entire bathroom has been newly renovated. Notice his and her closets. Oh, I forgot to tell you that every carpeted area in the home is brand new just 2 weeks ago. You'll remember that I mentioned what might be considered a second primary bedroom with a full bath. Well, here it is. And now we walk down the hallway to the 3rd and 4th bedrooms. Again, wonderful natural light. Here you'll find a full bathroom with shower over tub, making this 3 full baths on the second level and 2 half baths on the lower levels. And next, I'd like to show you the lower level. For additional living, you might think of this as wonderful, what I'll call great flex space. Make it what you will, an entertainment center, an office. Come down for some quiet reading time. Then this room could be a craft room, a game room, or again, possibly an office. And I've left the best for last. Back to the main floor. This is the indoor-outdoor living room within a screened-in patio that I talked about earlier. This peaceful oasis has stamped concrete floors, a stacked stone fireplace, and another cathedral ceiling. Look at this large, flat backyard. Not a neighbor in sight. This home is an exceptional value located in sought-after Nottingham Forest. I think you'll want to tour this home.